Have you ever planted flowers in containers, watched them bloom beautifully for a short time, and then suddenly fade away? The colors disappear, the excitement fades, and your once lively pots begin to look dull long before summer is over. Now picture something completely different. A balcony, patio, or small garden filled with flowers that seem to bloom endlessly, week after week, month after month, bringing constant color, movement, and life without the need for constant replanting or effort. The truth is, it's not about working harder. It's about choosing the right plants. In this video, you're about to discover 10 flowering plants that are perfectly suited for containers and capable of blooming all summer long with very little maintenance. These are reliable, time-tested choices that continue producing vibrant color, even in heat, even when care isn't perfect. Make sure to stay until the end, because some of the most impressive bloomers are also the simplest, and often the most overlooked. Let's begin. 1. Petunias are one of those plants that quickly show why they've become a staple in container gardening around the world. At first, you might be drawn to them for their bright colors, but over time you realize they offer much more than just visual appeal. They are dependable, adaptable, and incredibly productive. Once planted in a container, petunias establish themselves quickly. They spread outward, naturally filling empty space and gently cascading over the edges of the pot. This growth habit creates that full, overflowing look that feels carefully designed, even if you didn't put much effort into arranging it. Their blooming pattern is what truly sets them apart. Petunias don't flower in short bursts, they bloom continuously. As older flowers fade, new ones are already forming, creating an uninterrupted cycle of color. There's no waiting for the next wave, you're always surrounded by blooms. Modern varieties make things even easier. Many are self-cleaning, meaning they shed old flowers on their own and keep producing new ones without the need for regular deadheading. This makes them ideal for anyone who wants consistent results without constant maintenance. They also handle heat exceptionally well. During the hottest parts of summer, when other plants may slow down, petunias continue blooming as long as they receive enough sunlight, preferably full sun for most of the day. Watering is flexible. While they appreciate consistent moisture, they're forgiving if you occasionally forget. They may droop slightly, but they bounce back quickly once watered. Another strength is versatility. Petunias thrive in hanging baskets, window boxes, large containers, and even vertical setups. They can be used alone for a bold, overflowing display or combined with other plants for a layered, dynamic arrangement. Over time, they don't just maintain their beauty, they enhance it. The more they grow, the fuller and more impressive your container becomes, all without extra effort. They don't just bloom, they continuously perform. 2. Geranium, pelargonium. Geraniums, more accurately known as pelargoniums, are timeless for a reason. Once you grow them, it becomes clear why they remain so popular. They combine structure, durability, and long-lasting color in a way that few container plants can match. Unlike trailing plants like petunias, geraniums grow in a more upright and structured form. Their sturdy stems and rounded leaves create a strong foundation, while clusters of flowers rise above the foliage, making each bloom stand out clearly. This adds height and definition to any container, even if you're using just one plant. The flowers themselves are bold and striking. Instead of scattered blooms, geraniums produce dense clusters that create a concentrated burst of color. Deep reds, vibrant pinks, soft whites, and even bicolor varieties make them adaptable to almost any style or space. What truly makes geraniums stand out, however, is their resilience. They are built to handle conditions that challenge many other plants: strong sunlight, high temperatures, night, and even periods of dryness. This makes them perfect for balconies, patios, and outdoor areas where conditions can change quickly. In fact, they often perform better with less attention. Overwatering is more likely to cause problems than occasional neglect. Their thick stems and slightly succulent nature allow them to store moisture, making them more drought-tolerant than most flowering plants. Maintenance is minimal. While removing spent blooms can encourage additional flowering, it's not essential. Geraniums naturally continue producing new clusters throughout the season, maintaining a steady and reliable display. They also play an important role in container design. In mixed arrangements, they act as a focal point, adding structure and balance. On their own, they still create a complete and intentional look. They adapt well to different container sizes and conditions, making them suitable for both beginners and experienced gardeners. And as the season progresses, they don't fade. They improve, growing fuller, stronger, and more visually impactful over time. They don't just handle summer, they define it. 3. Calibrachoa, Million Bells. If you enjoy the look of petunias but want something more compact, refined, and even easier to manage, Calibrachoa, often known as Million Bells, is an exceptional choice. It's one of those plants that quietly exceeds expectations, turning even the simplest container into something that looks lush, full, and professionally arranged. As soon as it becomes established, Calibrachoa begins to grow outward and downward, forming a dense, flowing shape. Rather than growing upright, it naturally trails and spills over the edges, making it perfect for hanging baskets, window boxes, and elevated pots where you want that soft, cascading effect. What truly makes it stand out is the sheer volume of flowers it produces. Each individual bloom is small, but they appear in such abundance that the foliage often becomes almost completely hidden beneath layers of color. And unlike many plants that bloom in cycles, Calibrachoa flowers continuously. There are no pauses or gaps. It simply keeps producing blooms from early summer through the entire season. Another major advantage is its low-maintenance nature. Unlike traditional flowering plants that require frequent deadheading, Calibrachoa is self-cleaning. Old flowers drop off naturally and new ones replace them without any effort on your part. This makes it perfect for anyone who wants strong visual impact without constant upkeep. It thrives in full sun and handles heat exceptionally well, continuing to perform even during the hottest parts of summer. As long as the soil drains properly and it receives occasional watering, it remains healthy, dense, and full of flowers. In terms of design, Calibrachoa is incredibly flexible. It looks stunning when planted on its own, creating a soft, overflowing display, but it also works beautifully as a trailing spiller in mixed containers, helping to soften edges and connect different plants together. As the season progresses, it doesn't just maintain its appearance, it becomes even more impressive. The longer it grows, the fuller and more dramatic it looks, creating that effortless, cascading effect that feels natural yet highly decorative. It's one of the simplest ways to achieve continuous, vibrant color without ongoing maintenance. 4. Begonia. Begonias are among the most dependable choices for containers placed in shade or partial shade, areas where many flowering plants struggle to thrive. If your space doesn't receive full sunlight throughout the day, begonias are exactly where you should turn. What makes them so valuable is their ability to deliver consistent blooms without relying on intense light. While other plants may slow down or stop flowering in lower light conditions, begonias continue steadily, producing soft, refined flowers in shades of pink, red, white, and orange. But their appeal goes beyond their blooms. Begonias also offer beautiful foliage that adds another layer of interest. Their leaves are often glossy, textured, and richly colored, contributing depth and visual contrast even when the plant isn't in peak bloom. This combination of flowers and foliage creates a full, layered look that makes containers feel complete and well-balanced. In terms of growth, begonias tend to form compact, rounded shapes. They fill containers evenly without becoming unruly or overgrown, which makes them ideal for achieving a clean, polished appearance with minimal effort. Another reason for their popularity is their adaptability. Begonias handle humidity, fluctuating temperatures, and changing light conditions better than many other flowering plants. Whether placed on a shaded balcony, under a covered patio, or in a quiet garden corner, they remain stable and reliable. Their care requirements are simple. They prefer moderate watering and well-draining soil, but they are not demanding. As long as you avoid excessive moisture and protect them from harsh, direct sunlight, they will continue to grow and bloom steadily. They also don't require frequent pruning or complicated care routines. No constant adjustments, just consistent, dependable performance. In containers, begonias create a calm and elegant presence. Rather than overwhelming with bold intensity, they provide soft, continuous color and fullness that lasts throughout the season. And that's perhaps their greatest strength. While many plants rely on perfect conditions to truly shine, begonias deliver reliable beauty, even when conditions are far from ideal. 5. Verbena is one of those plants that quickly proves how resilient and reliable a flowering plant can be. Once it becomes established, it seems to grow with unstoppable energy. While many plants begin to struggle under intense summer heat, verbena continues to thrive, making it an excellent choice for containers exposed to strong sun and high temperatures. At first, its flowers may appear small, but they form tight, clustered groups that create a bold and striking visual effect. These clusters repeat again and again, building a continuous layer of color in shades of purple, pink, red, and white. Instead of scattered blooms, you get a consistent, vibrant display that feels lively and full of energy. One of verbena's greatest strengths is its ability to handle difficult conditions. It is naturally adapted to full sun, dry soil, and heat that would weaken many other plants. Once it settles in, it becomes surprisingly drought-tolerant. So occasional missed watering won't cause serious problems. Another key advantage is its extended blooming period. Verbena doesn't rely on short cycles. It produces flowers continuously as long as it receives enough sunlight. Even during the hottest weeks of summer when other plants slow down, verbena continues to generate fresh blooms without interruption. It also brings a dynamic element into your container garden. Bees and butterflies are naturally attracted to its flowers, adding movement and life to your space. This transforms your containers from simple decorations into something more vibrant and active. In terms of growth, verbena is quite flexible. Some varieties grow in a compact, upright form, while others spread or trail slightly, softening the edges of containers. This allows it to work both as a focal point and as a supporting plant in mixed arrangements. Care requirements are minimal. Light trimming can encourage even more flowering, but even without it, verbena continues to perform consistently. It doesn't demand constant attention, it simply keeps growing and blooming. If you're looking for a plant that maintains its color, structure, and energy through the most challenging summer conditions, verbena is one of the most dependable options available. 6. Lobelia introduces a completely different atmosphere to container gardening. While some plants stand out with bold, dramatic presence, Lobelia offers something softer, light, airy, and almost cloud-like. It brings a gentle, flowing quality that beautifully balances stronger shapes and colors. Its flowers are small, but they appear in such abundance that they create a dense, soft layer of color. Tiny blooms in shades of blue, purple, or white gather together so closely that, from a distance, the plant looks like a delicate mist or a floating cloud resting along the edge of your container. One of Lobelia's most appealing characteristics is its trailing growth habit. It naturally spills over the sides of pots, softening sharp edges and giving containers a more relaxed, natural appearance. This makes it ideal for hanging baskets, window boxes, or as a spiller plant in mixed arrangements. While older varieties sometimes struggled in extreme heat, many modern hybrids are specifically bred to perform throughout summer. With the right placement, especially some protection from harsh afternoon sun, they can continue blooming steadily for a long period. Even if flowering slows slightly, a simple light trim can quickly refresh the plant and trigger a new wave of blooms. This easy step helps maintain its fullness and vibrancy throughout the season. Lobelia is also incredibly useful from a design perspective. It fills empty spaces effortlessly, connects different plants visually, and adds contrast, particularly when paired with bold, upright flowers. It doesn't compete for attention, but instead enhances the overall composition. Care is straightforward. Lobelia prefers consistent moisture and well-drained soil, and it performs best in partial sun or morning light with some afternoon shade in warmer climates. In containers, Lobelia acts like a finishing element. It softens, balances, and completes the arrangement, turning a simple pot into something layered, full, and thoughtfully composed. It may not be the most striking plant on its own, but it's often the one that makes everything around it look better. 7. Zinnias are the kind of plant that immediately make gardening feel simple and satisfying. As soon as they begin to flower, they bring strong color, clear structure, and a sense of energy into any container. And they keep that effect going for months without slowing down. Their blooms are bold and easy to recognize. Each flower has a daisy-like shape, but with more narcission-y color and a stronger visual presence. Bright tones of red, orange, yellow, pink, and even mixed combinations create a lively, cheerful display that instantly draws attention. One of the biggest reasons gardeners love zinnias is their incredibly long blooming period. Once they start in early summer, They continue producing new flowers non-stop until the first frost. There's no gap between flowering cycles. Your containers remain colorful and full throughout the entire season. For container gardening, compact or dwarf varieties are the most practical choice. They grow into neat, dense forms that fill the pot without becoming too tall or unstable. This makes them perfect for balconies, patios, and smaller spaces where you want maximum visual impact without overcrowding. Zinnias thrive in full sunlight. The more sun they receive, the stronger and more productive they become. They also tolerate high temperatures extremely well, continuing to bloom even during the hottest part of summer when other plants begin to struggle. Another advantage is how easy they are to care for. Once established, they don't need frequent watering. In fact, they prefer slightly drier conditions over constantly wet soil, which makes them ideal for gardeners who don't want to water every day. They are also naturally hardy and resistant to many common issues, which makes them especially suitable for beginners or anyone looking for a low-maintenance option. If you're looking for a plant that delivers bold color, long-lasting blooms, and reliable performance without demanding much effort, zinnias are one of the simplest and most rewarding choices you can make. 8. Impatiens. If your space is mostly shaded and you assume continuous blooms aren't possible, impatiens will completely change that assumption. These plants are perfectly adapted to low-light conditions, and instead of just surviving in the shade, they truly flourish. In containers placed in partial or full shade, impatiens produce an abundance of flowers that can almost completely cover the plant. The blooms are soft in texture but vibrant in color. Shades of pink, red, white, purple, and even two-tone varieties create a rich and layered appearance, bringing brightness and life into areas where many other plants struggle to perform. What makes impatiens especially valuable is their consistency. They don't require ideal conditions or constant attention. Once planted, they continue blooming steadily throughout the entire season with very little maintenance. In containers, they naturally form dense, rounded shapes that fill the space evenly. This makes them perfect for achieving a full, lush look without needing to combine multiple plants. Unlike sun-loving varieties, impatiens prefer consistent moisture. As long as the soil doesn't completely dry out, they remain healthy and productive. Even if they begin to wilt slightly from lack of water, they recover quickly once watered, making them quite forgiving. They are also highly adaptable. Whether placed on a shaded balcony, under a covered patio, or in a garden corner with limited sunlight, impatiens adjust easily and continue to perform reliably. In mixed containers, they act as excellent filler plants, adding softness and continuous color. When planted alone, they still create a complete, vibrant display with minimal effort. Impatiens demonstrate that a bright, blooming container garden doesn't require full sun. Even in shaded spaces, they keep your containers lively and colorful, day after day, throughout the entire summer.